When it comes to laying down drywall tape, Goldblatt's Drywall Banjos are the way to go. Made with rugged, lightweight aluminum, they have a comfortable design so they can be used with just one hand. Loading your drywall banjo couldn't be easier. Open the latches on both sides, then insert your drywall tape, feeding it through the knobs in the mud chamber. Fill the chamber with mud, making sure the mud sits beneath the tape. Close and lock your banjo, and pull the tape through until you're left with a clean coating of mud. The Drywall Banjo applies mud evenly across your tape, giving you smooth, even joints every time. Control the mud flow with the adjustment knob in the front, and the serrated tip leaves you with clean cuts. Professional taping with no mess. Goldblatt's Drywall Banjo can hold up to 500 feet of drywall tape and enough mud to tape 40 feet without a refill. Goldblatt offers a wet tape banjo for thinner mud compounds and a dry tape banjo for thicker ones. And don't forget to keep your spare roll on you with Goldblatt's drywall tape holder. Thanks for stopping by the Goldblatt Workshop. Be sure to tag Goldblatt on social media. We'd love to see your next project.